On the top of the screen right now. Third down. Ryan throws. There's Jones. Stiff arm and first down.
As you say, it's not just Julio anymore. But let me tell you something. Julio's still here, and he's the best receiver in football in my mind. So physical, just freakish athletically, and then incredibly humble that allows them to operate because he's not complaining when he doesn't get the football. An outstanding football player.
On second down, they'll fake. Blitz picked up, coming near side. It's Jones. He's got it again on Sherman.
You got to be able to get off the line of scrimmage. There you see it, but watch at the top of the route. You have to fear his speed. And then for a big guy, he can put on the brakes so fast. And that's just tremendous route running and execution by Julio Jones.
First and goal. Ryan gonna come to Jones. Touchdown.
You can talk so much about how good they are when they aren't throwing to Julio, and that's been a big development this year. That's Julio Jones. You got to feed that guy. And you just see the brute strength, size, speed, all of it, and the humility. He lets his offensive lineman, Andy Levitra, spike the football.
On Taylor Gabriel. Ryan's going to throw it. Instead, look at Julio Jones. Sherman on him. Didn't matter. First down.
We asked Matt Ryan about that very matchup, and he said no disrespect to Richard Sherman. He's a great corner, but I like Julio versus anyone. As well he should. Julio Jones putting on a show here today. See them get in that bunch formation, creates some traffic, pulls Richard Sherman off the line. He's known for his bump and run.
Here we go. Falcons by 13 on a 1st and 10. Ryan fires for Julio Jones and bobbled and can't hang on.
Well, listen, we knew this would be a great matchup, and there it is. That's just a drop by Julio Jones, but the combat between these two guys, not much separation there. Great job by Richard Sherman, not giving much separation